Hello and welcome back. If you are new visiting my channel, my name is Daisy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make t-shirt order forms using Canva and free template that you may download from my blog. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. On my blog, you will find 6 templates, 3 in English and 3 in Spanish. Download the one of your liking. I'm going to start working with the design, but before I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. To work with the design, I will be using Canva. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. Click on that link and it's going to open the Canva home page. First, we're going to select the size of the document we're going to be working with. This time, we're going to be working with letter size. Look for the letter size document and select it. If you don't find it, click on Custom Size. Change the measurements to inches and type the measurements for a letter size paper. And click on Create New Design. Here is the letter size document. Like I mentioned before, we're going to be working with my free template. Find that link in the video description down below. Once you click on that link, you're going to see this page. Scroll all the way down and download the one of your liking, either in English or Spanish. Once you finish downloading, let's go back to Canva. Now to upload it to Canva, click on Upload, Upload File, select the document and open it. Now the template is already on the Canva. Click on it and place it on top of the letter size document. Resize it. As you can see, here is the template. The only thing you need to do is to add your own information and your logo. If you have your own logo, you may upload it just like we did with the template. If you don't have your own logo, don't worry. You can type your business information. Also, you may create your own logo here on Canva. I'm going to create a very simple logo to show you an example. I'm going to click on Photos and I'm going to look for some watermark flowers that combined with the order form. Canva offers a lot of free designs for you to use. The ones with a crown are exclusive for members. I'm going to use this very simple design. Now resize it to fit the logo square. Now let's add text. Click on the T, then select the text of your liking and start typing. Now to change the font, click on this bar and you're going to see the list of the fonts that Canva offers. Pick the one of your liking. I'm going to add a background to this text. Go to Effects and select Background. Click on the color square to change the color. I'm going to change it to white. And I'm going to keep adding text. You can add your website, your email, address, phone number, Facebook, Instagram, etc. You may print it like this, or you may keep on adding more details. If you wish to change the font on the topic, just hide the one from the template and start typing your own. Use the font of your liking. After this, I'm going to add a background. I'm going to click on Element and find a beautiful background. I'm going to click on this one, resize it, and I'm going to change the color. I'm going to click on the color square above and I'm going to select a color that combines with the order form. It is ready to be printed, but I'm going to modify the bottom of the order form. And the order form is ready to be printed. To print it, let's go to Share, click on Download, and here we're going to select PDF Print. Click Download. The download is going to be on the bottom left corner. Click on it and it will open. Now click on Print. It's going to look in grayscale, but don't worry. Click on More Settings, Print using System Dialog, select the printer you are going to use, click on Preferences, select Business Document, on Quality select High, click OK and print. To print this document, I use a Canon Pixma Mega Tank printer, and the paper is 20 pounds copy paper. Once printed, you may leave them like this and save them on a folder, or you can make an order form book. For that, we're going to use big clips and book glue pH neutral PVA. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. Let it dry for 12 hours before removing the clips. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to make t-shirt order forms. And please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.